Namaste. Today's topic is adverse drug reaction. Any undesirable response to the drug is known as adverse drug reaction. Can range in intensity from annoying to the life threatening. Type of drug reaction: first is side effect, unavoidable secondary drug effect produced at the therapeutic drug dose. That is first, drowsiness that often accompanied with the use of antihistaminic drugs. Then second is the gastric bleeding that can be produced by a low therapeutic dose of the aspirin. Next is toxicity, an adverse drug reaction caused by excessive level of drug, that is coma caused by overdose with morphine. Then allergic reaction, prior sen- sensitization of the immune response. Re-exposed to that drug can bring to an allergic response like penicillin allergy. ADR, idiosyncratic effect, an unusual drug response resulting from a genetic predisposition, physical dependence, a state in which the body has adopted to prolonged drug exposure in such a way that if the drug use is discontinued, abstinence syndrome will result. Then carcinogenic effect, ability of certain medication chemical to use cancer, so they cause cancer. Though a number of carcinogenic compounds have been identified, very few of these are employed therapeutically. Teratogenic effect, drug induced birth defect. So here we have completed the ADR. So for any query you can comment below. Hope you will understand what is the ADR reaction. It is the short topic, but you must know about the ADR reaction when you are studying the drug. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.